How to improve OBS recording quality. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily improve your OBS story video quality. So if you want to increase your video recording quality on your OBS, just click on settings, and from over here you just have to click on this video option, which is set to 1920 into 1080. So it's the highest resolution for my case, so just click on this highest resolution for both base and output resolution. So if you have a downscale filter, make sure it's not turned on. So if you don't have a downscaling filter option, just leave it as it is, and you can also set it to 60, but according to your bitrate. If your bitrate is 1600, then you can just leave it at 30. So once you do that, just head over to output, and from over here what I want you to do is just make sure you have selected advanced. I have selected simple, so let me just show you. So as I was saying, if your settings output setting is enabled on your advanced, just like this, just head over to your recording and make sure your recording format is selected on MPEG.4. So once you select this, just make sure you have enabled your bitrate to 1600 or 16000 or 12000 if your rate control is CBR. If your rate control is not this or any other, then you don't have to worry about this 16000. It might be 12,000 as well. So make sure you have CBR and selected 16,000 for the bitrate. So that is exactly how you can easily improve your video quality on your OBS Studio. So it might increase your video quality. So if you head over to advanced option, which is the last remaining option over here, you might select over here, just click on this processing priority to high, and your rendering option here to direct 3D 11. So once you do all of that, just click on apply and click on OK, and your videos will be successfully improved your video quality. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.